Imat Wyrta wa iduk thau pure ki khana ki wada pendep ya ke SSLC ho ni usnem man ko wakhia bahaya wara na duk ki man bay man pa wa kam ju le ya ki bor sorkar hei wa ho ni usnem de empalat hajar tali ki sit waduna neda wa bon wari ki khana wa pas ya ni ki exam hapo West Giant Hills karkam wa mandang em bon ngut ki khana ki wom puyo thau pure hado ne ka si Haya kalam wa Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh da pentib u wa katkam ke yukhain wa yo hado nin da em sachispa ar pausungut ki wam puyo thau pure da pentib u wa da tho chau director kam ju chau Commissioner and Secretary ke Chnat Education ke sorkar jalla wa sdang no ya ke evening shift Kiang Nangbah HSS Jowai ke wa em arspa atli kisin da juluti ule wa dai wasdang ya kani ke evening shift tau ye ludu pudiang ya ki khna wedang yang don hi yo jubab na ka sorkar hajrong ini.
With regard to class admission students, yesterday also we have written down to the director for creating an evening shift. I will just tell you one sec. Yeah, in Kiang Nangbah Government Higher Secondary School, we have mentioned to our Commissioner and Secretary and the Director for creating an evening shift for the students. So as of now, what has been reported by one of the student unions with regard to the number of students who have not been admitted, it is around 124, right? So by creation of evening shift, we would be able to cater around 200 students. So we are waiting for the confirmation. The moment we get the confirmation with regard to this, all the students would be easily enrolled.